Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this Ford Puma in blue. This manual vehicle boasts a 1.0 litre petrol hybrid engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. When we look at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights to ensure the road ahead is always fully illuminated, complemented by the stylish rear lights to ensure that you are always visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these 5-spoke matte black machined finish 18-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Into the rear now, we have the stunning leather and cloth upholstery with your red stitching, as well as Isofix anchor points to secure those child seats. Into the vehicle's spacious boot now with ample of room inside. You also have a built-in parcel shelf for privacy for your belongings. Into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front 2 seats as the back. We also get a glimpse here at your steering wheel. Your steering wheel is multi-functional for convenience, and ahead there we have your digital display, where as you can see you can change the drive mode of the vehicle dependent on your journey that day from the wide range of options available. Over now to the infotainment system. You can explore all of the radio options available, as well as connect your own device to listen to your own music or to make and receive those all-important phone calls. Navigation is also provided to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and you can also connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. You can also adjust the B&O sound system inside the vehicle for premium sound quality. When you shift the car into reverse, rear sensors are provided to make manoeuvring easier than ever. Below we have your easy to use climate control, and through the centre there a USB charge port to ensure the devices are always charged up. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Ford Puma in blue. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.